Let's play some soccer, buddy.
I can't get it. Oh yeah, I can't get it up. Play soccer. Yeah, Liam. Kick the ball. Good job. Oh, be careful.
Handball.
Kick the ball. Yeah, you play soccer with Jack. Kick the ball. Kick it. Yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
He's going to be a good soccer player, huh?
There you go. Kick it. Dribble in it.
Good job. Look at Lily go. Woohoo! Good job, Liam.
All right, handball. There you go. Oh.
Good job.
Jack's doing it.
Whoa.
You all right?
You okay? It's all right. Oh, I can play with it. It's over here, Leeler.
Jack's got it.
Careful, you don't got your shoes on. Go get it over there. Over there, buddy. Over there.
There it is. Ah. It's like a field we used to play on in middle school.
Yeah, with the way Jack made the sand pit out here. Yeah! Oh.